We begin this tour in the Solana, an area dedicated to outdoor dining and living. The Solana overflows into a beautiful area for an outdoor fire pit, surrounded by meticulously crafted hardscaping and boulders. The hardscaping flows into this Solana, where we have a see-through fireplace which overlooks into the great room living area. Above the fireplace, we have an entertainment system, and music overflows into this space, perfect for hosting. As we're hosting, whether we're gathering around the fire or overflowing into the dining room table area, we will have a great view of this entire property. But if you were to ask me, my favorite view is when we look up and see all these beautiful mortise and tenon timber trusses with Golden Eagle's signature hand-hewn finish. Complementing these trusses and timber work is a corrugated steel ceiling finish, all applied in a vertical fashion, which draws your eye up to the ridge. The homeowners picked out all the colors and finishes for their home at Golden Eagle's Design Center showroom. All of the timber finishes on this home have an authentic hand-hewn finish applied to them. The stain that you see here is provided by Sashco. This is their transformation log and timber stain. Not only do they have many great colors, but it also allows an opportunity for the pigment of the stain to get hung up into the hand-hewing, which was a feature that the clients loved. While we do have posts that go all the way from header to floor, we also have a few columns that are supported with concrete piers, which are wrapped in that quarry stone. And this in particular has a giant stone column behind me. The homeowners wanted to make sure that their hot tub was able to capture the morning sunrise. That's when they plan to use this the most. Now, instead of having a cumbersome cover, we're able to control this just with a switch. And we're able to elevate the cover of the hot tub. Not only does it make it easy and convenient, but then there is lighting below the cover. That is great planning. You've probably never seen a fireplace like this before. This is an AccuCraft fireplace, which is visible from both sides. So not only is it see-through, but we can actually access it from inside the house, as well as out here in the Solana. Now, if it were me, if I had this fireplace, even if I was only enjoying it in the wintertime, I'd still leave all my firewood out here. That way I don't need to bring it into the house. While we're enjoying our meals out here, of course, we're gonna wanna see where it is all prepared. Let's head into the kitchen.